What up guys, just got this Slick Products ATV cleaner in. Never used it before. This video is not endorsed by Slick Products, but I've been looking for something to detail a UTV and dirt bikes with that'll work on multi-surfaces. So this is what the UTV looks like before dirty, and this is what it looks like clean. Hey, as you see guys, Slick Products works great on the UTV. I'll get you some close-up footage so you can see what it looks like. It seems to work on all the surfaces, metal, rubber, plastic. I mean, it looks great. Everything's shiny. I mean, the thing almost looks better than new. Worked on the shocks, worked on the plastic, worked on the rubber. I did it before and after, so you can see over here the difference. This part's without Slick Products, and this part's with it. Huge difference, guys. It's kind of like an Armor All, but it works a lot better on the UTV stuff. A little more pricey than some of the products, but definitely well worth it. It's a whole lot better. Plus it's made in the USA. So I'll definitely be buying more of it. Again, Slick Products. I think it's called Protect and Shine. I appreciate it guys. Stay tuned. Thanks.